this is Dean Crone, back at TechEd 2011, and I wanted to take a few moments to answer what I think is the most common question that we've got here. I love MultiPoint, but how do I buy it? How much does it cost? Where can I get it? So let me answer that by way of an example. I want to walk you through the MultiPoint system we have here and explain how this MultiPoint system can be properly licensed. So to walk you through the gear, I have on my right one MultiPoint server running Windows MultiPoint Server 2011, one host PC. That's the way to think about that. And I have a total of 6 stations running off of this Windows MultiPoint server. Let me walk you through. I have one server I have one station that's connected to this conventional thin client. I have one station that's connected to this USB thin client. I have one station that is directly connected to the back of the server. I have another station that I've actually configured with split station, where I have 2 users using another station that is directly connected to the back of the server. And on the other side, I also have a laptop that I've repurposed into a MultiPoint station by way of just using RDP. Okay, so I have one MultiPoint server, and I have a total of 6 computing stations off of that one MultiPoint server. MultiPoint licenses in the same way the terminal server licenses, or remote desktop services. So if you're familiar with how to license remote desktop services, you know how to license Windows MultiPoint Server already. You need one license for each of your servers, in this case one, and then you need both a Windows Server license and a Windows MultiPoint Server client license for each of your stations. In this case, I have 6 stations, so I need a total of 6 Windows Server CALs, and I need another 6 Windows MultiPoint Server CALs. Now, I'll note here that if you get your hardware from an OEM, it's very possible that the CALs were already pre-included with that hardware. So you should check in terms of what your license rights are to make sure that you don't overlap. Okay, so now in terms of editions and channels, Windows MultiPoint Server 2011 comes in 2 editions. There's a standard edition and a premium edition. There's a couple big differences. The big ones, in my opinion, are that the standard edition goes to 10 stations and does not allow for an Active Directory domain join, while the premium edition goes to 20 stations and does allow for an Active Directory domain join. And then in terms of channels, both editions are available through OEMs to any customers. Both editions are available through volume licensing to any customers. We then also have very special discounted pricing for our academic and our charity customers. That's through the volume license channel and the OEM channel. So if you'd like to learn more information, what I'd recommend at this point is that you go to Microsoft.com/multipoint. Thank you.